Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Syed Irfanullah, Advocate Corporate Law. In today's lecture, we are discussing how to incorporate a company under the Companies Ordinance 1984 and the Companies Act 2017. As per Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. So today's lecture and our next few lectures will describe how to register a company or how to incorporate a company. For this purpose, we have to keep something in mind, that which type of company we are interested to incorporate or which type of company we wish to establish. For this purpose, this guideline will give you an overview about these different type of companies. So introduction, this guide is designed to explain the relevant laws and procedure for the incorporation of a company. What do you mean by incorporation of a company? Means to register a company or to establish a company. It includes the concept, procedure and document requirement for forming a company and post incorporation requirements in the light of relevant provision of the Companies Ordinance 1984/2017 Act of the Parliament and the rules and regulation made thereunder. So while following these this guideline, it will give you a complete look how to establish a company. One of the important functions of the Security Exchange Commission of Pakistan that is the main body to register a company and to regularize the rules and regulations of the company is the incorporation and registration of a company. This task has been entrusted to the Corporatization and Compliance Department, the Company Law Division, which has its field offices known as Company Registration Office CROs for the purpose of incorporation, registration in different type of company. So incorporation of a company, before going to this, we have to keep this in mind that there are different type of companies which we need to establish. So any three or more persons associated with a lawful purpose, we will discuss it later on once again by describing their names of memorandum of association. We will describe this also in the next classes, and compliance with the requirement of the ordinance, form a public company, and any one or more persons so associated may in like manner form a private company. So they can make a public company or a private company. If only one member from a private company, it is called a single member company or sole proprietorship company. Normally this term is used for this purpose. So prior approval of the ministries and department etc. noted against each category of the following companies is required to be obtained before incorporation of the company. So this is a complete list. Let me reduce its structure so as to bring it on a single page, and so it will give you a complete look now. Serial number, a banking company, Ministry of Finance or State Bank of Pakistan. So if you are making a bank, so this is relevant with the Ministry of Finance or the State Bank of Pakistan. So if you are registering a bank, so for this purpose you have to deal with the Ministry of Finance and the State Bank of Pakistan. a company or a non-banking finance company, NBFC or non. For example, any of the companies that does different type of businesses other than loan and financing like a bank, it is to be dealt by the Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. For example, if there is a company ABC who deal in the uh, exports, there is another company XYZ who deal in for example cloth merchant and so forth. There is another company who deals in a cement company. There is another who deal in a flour, atta, or sugar, and so forth. So all these are the non-banking, but these are the finance companies, uh, non-banking finance company. So those are doing their businesses, but these are not the banking types. So these are dealt by the Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. A company providing security service. You see the Phoenix, AWT, and there are different of companies whose vehicles you normally see in front of the banks, and their security guards uh, are deployed at different positions. So if you make such a company, so you will deal for such a purpose then with the Ministry of Interior. They will give you an NOC by fulfilling their requirement. What are their requirements? That is not uh, the domain of this course, because this is related only to the business law. So we will not discuss this in detail. We will discuss only the non-banking and this one, and that is in your course only. But anyhow, you have to keep this in mind that this is one type of company. A corporate brokerage house, for example, if you are to make a broker, that is normally called commission agent or merchant commission agent type, who are doing the businesses related to the stock exchange, to provide, to sell and purchase, or to help the people in selling and purchasing of the shares in a stock exchange. So such a company needs to be registered with the stock exchange. There are another a number of companies those are doing business. In my mind, one is the Askari Leasing, the Askari Associates, the Taurus, and another a lot of other companies who are dealing with the stock exchange, and they are working as a commission agent in the form of selling and purchasing the shares for different companies. So stock exchange for the transfer of the membership card in favor of the proposed company. A money exchange company, you see them in Peshawar at different positions. Those are legal ones. I'm not discussing those are the illegal, as you see in the Chowkiagar and in this area. Most of them are illegal. But there are some money exchange companies who are legal under the Ordinance 1984. And these needs to be registered with the State Bank of Pakistan. For example, the Malik Exchange, and there are a number of companies you see in front of the State Bank of Pakistan and inside the D State Center and in the surroundings, who are entitled for the exchanges of the money. These companies are purchasing and selling the dollars, the euros, the dirhams, the riyals, dinar, etc., from one type of currency to another type of currency as per directions of the State Bank of Pakistan. An association for non-profit, or other companies are 1984. Non-profit companies like NGOs. So these are needs to be registered with the Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. Uh, these are providing different type of services to the people, uh, but their motive is not to get the profit but to service the people, like the NGOs. A trade organization who is doing different type of trades, so they are issued a license from the Ministry of Commerce. They are issuing them uh, the license, and based on their license they can do the business within the country or outside the country. So these are the different types of companies and their relevant organization with which they are needed to be registered. Thank you. I am Said Irfanullah. I am visiting lecturer at Frontier Law College and advocate corporate law at Peshawar High Court. Thank you.